Hi everyone, it's Toby from CineSim. Welcome to our 6th CineSim tutorial, and it is also the first video about cinematography knowledge and design. In this video, we'll walk through the process of building a new scene from scratch, using examples of a bedroom. And let's get started. To begin, let's press New and Blank. That means we are going to start from totally zero. Remember, our job today is to create a bedroom. So the very first thing we need to think of is that how big our bedroom is. So normally in Hong Kong, our bedroom is relatively a bit small. So somehow we can start with placing some walls there. And let's go to find wall. Here we have lots of different walls, and maybe we want a brick wall here, so we can put a brick wall here. And in the library, you can see that it's 2 by 2. That means this wall is 2 meters by 2 meters. Alright, so I suppose our room is about 3 by 5, around this number. So I have one wall, and I press alternate and drag it so we can duplicate this wall. So we place it like this, and it's roughly about 3 meters. Then what about another dimensions? Of course, we can still drag it by pressing alternate to duplicate the wall, and then we can rotate it 90 degrees. And put it here. We want 3 by 5. So that means we need one more and half of it. Remember, click alternate to duplicate it. Alright, so around this size is our bedroom. So lastly is about duplicate all this wall. Again, drag it and rotate it. Drag it to rotate it, and the last one here, drag it and rotate it. And you can see that the walls are not quite aligned. And once you click it, you can see that actually you can type the numbers here, which make it more convenient. And then we can actually put some decoration on it. So we go to library and go to furniture. We try to search bed. And as you can see, we get lots of different beds here. Maybe we can place a bed here. So maybe in furniture category, you can search it yourself or find it one by one to find the best one you want. Maybe this drawer is also a good one. Then we just put this drawer here. And I know that maybe you want to fill up this area. So we get a little trick here. Maybe we can scale it up a bit. Alright, so we get a cupboard. Then what's next? This is our room, so we are better to have a table. Table, just have a simple table, that is just fine. Maybe this one. Alright, we put a table here. And then, do we want a chair? Yes, of course. So we search a chair. Maybe a normal computer chairs. Alright, maybe we want a computer screen. Let's see whether we have it. We go to electric applicants. So put a monitor there. Do we have something more? Maybe put a router here. Well, you can see that because the sun is on these directions, so it's not actually shining in the area that we want. So you can change the sun directions to somewhere here. Or to change the time as well. Alright? And can we have some more decorations here? Maybe items. So yeah, we have paint. So we can put a paint here. And we want a ventilation grid. And one more paint as well. Alright? So now you can see that with just simple drag and drop, you can have a very simple way to construct, to build your room. And then let's go to camera view. And of course, lastly, you can put your characters here and sit it there and face to the screen. Of course, it's all possible. In the future updates, we're going to provide you more different assets so you can better build your own scene. And that's it for building a custom scene in CineSim. In the next videos, we've covered how to create the fight scene. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest tutorial. And see you next time.